Firework Tent Tour 2. We got some new fireworks, so we're gonna be doing them today. And I'm gonna be doing the boo doo 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 doo. My mom needs her phone back soon, so we're gonna race through the Freedom Fighter, American Heroes, Smart Bomb, Hundreds, Magical Barrage, Cat Eyes, Volcano Eruption, Battle Bombs, Catch Pokey, Camellia Flower, 5-Minute Sparkler, Ground Bloom Flower, Lil Slugger, Backpack, Pika Pika, Snapper, Pop Snapper, Tanks, another tank, Day of the Dead Skulls. Moving on to the smaller skull stuff. Happy, Bulldog, Rough Riders, T-Sky, Be Kind, One Bad Mother, Fireworks Fiesta, Home of the Brave, Bomb, Tactical, Pyro DNA, Bling Bling, Loud and Proud, Lightning Shot, Hysteria, Only You, Independence Day, Color Pearl, DJ Fresh. This is a pretty big one. Oh yeah, more Cat Eyes. Trump snaps back. Not my favorite. All right. Lethal Knight. Yeah. No, Lethal Agent. I have no idea what that says. Saturn Missile Battery, Saturn Missile Base, Nuclear Sunrise, Top Dog, Black Widow, Battlefield. We're moving on to the big fireworks. Starting up, we've got Sky Painter, Rainbow Rush, Final Finale. But that's not the final finale. We have definitely gotten more. Like these, we're doing big ones now. Paradise City, Blue Dragon Land, America, Shock Treatment. Now we're getting into the bigger ones. We've got Fireball, Eye of the Tiger, Simply the Best, Dr. Boom. Then we're getting Billy King Ghidorah.
What are you doing? Okay.
I'm making a firework tent tour.
What is that? It's a monster truck?
Windy City. Back up.
Right there.
Yeah. I don't know what that
Monster
says.
truck. Brixton would love that.
I don't know what this says. But that's a cool one. Japanese, okay. Invader.
Do I need to get the dolly out or what?
This was the biggest one, and the other one,
Get the dolly out for you guys?
Terrifier. But that's not the biggest one now. We have bigger ones. Military Might, 3-Minute Barrage, Blaze of Glory, Frankenstein. This one, how many shots does this one have? I can't find the shots. Well, Frankenstein, Megaron, Black Sails, Captain Skull Crusher, Red, White, and Boom, Grand Theft Auto, another one of those, Pac-Man. Oh, all of these, and then we've got this definitely AI generated pancakes, Russian roulette. Then the biggest one, Party in the USA. We've got, why is everybody so serious? Turn down for Surfing USA. Whoa, hello.
Sorry, buddy.
red, white, and beautiful. That one. And then that is all the fireworks that we have.